Hello, this is Paul Rajczak of Sunshine Profits, and I'm the author of Stock Trading Alerts. Let's take a quick look at today's stock market charts as an addition to today's stock trading alert, and we'll have a look at the index charts and the individual stock charts. The first chart is the S&P 500 index, and we can see that the index remains below its downward trend line. It gained 1.4% yesterday, but for now it looks like an upward correction. Overall, the index lost more than 5% from its record high of around 47.43, and yesterday it bounced from the local low of around 45.05. Now let's move to the Nasdaq 100 index, and it remains relatively stronger than the broad stock market, as it is still trading above the early September local high. So the technology index remains within a consolidation rather, not a clear downward correction. Let's move to the individual stock charts, and we'll see why the technology stock index is relatively stronger. The first one is the Apple stock, and the Apple rallied recently. It reached the new record high above the $170 level, and its market cap reached almost $2.8 trillion. But it was on Wednesday, and on Wednesday the stock retraced all of its advance, and on Thursday it opened much lower. So from the new record high on Wednesday, it lost more than 7% on Thursday's opening. So it remains very volatile, and it's just strange that the biggest market cap in the world company behaves in such way. But yesterday it retraced its lower opening, and it got back above the 160 level. For now it looks like a very volatile consolidation here. It may be a medium-term topping pattern, who knows. Now let's move to the Microsoft stock chart, and it is a lot quieter here. The stock remains within a month-long consolidation. Of course, it retraced its record-breaking rally from the mid-November, but it remains within a relatively calm consolidation since then. Another tech stock is the Facebook or the Meta platforms, and it's relatively weaker. I've mentioned the stock in the previous video. The breakdown below the upward trend line here, and the stock extended its downtrend. It reached the new local low here. Will it make a double bottom pattern? It is too early to say right now. Another tech stock, the Tesla, and we can see a consolidation here that takes place along the 1100 level. For now it looks like a flat correction within a long-term uptrend. However, the stock remains overbought in the long term, so you may see some more correction or a consolidation, and if the stock breaks below $1,000 level, so we may see a test of that support levels of 900, 950. Now let's move to the banking sector stocks, and the first one, the Bank of America BAC. It extended its downtrend recently on Wednesday, but yesterday it bounced, and it's again at the support or the earliest support, and now the resistance level of around $45. Another banking stock, the Morgan Stanley, it has managed to stay within a medium-term consolidation. It bounced from the $95, $96 support level again, so it extends its sideways movement from the early August. And the last stock is the oil stock, the ExxonMobil. the ExxonMobil XOM, and it's the similar picture as the banking stocks, because then again it bounced from the support level and it remains within a short-term consolidation. So the overall picture of stocks is pretty mixed, as we saw, and let's move to conclude. Let's move to the S&P 500 index again, and today the market is expected to open slightly higher following the monthly jobs data release. The data was mixed because the non-farm payrolls number was lower than expected, and but the unemployment rate was also lower than expected. So the data was mixed, and the market is expected to open around 0.3% higher. So it may test the downward trend line here, and most likely we will see a short-term consolidation along or below the 4600s level. Okay, just to remind, it was not a trading recommendation or an advice, just a general opinion of an author. And today's premium stock trading alert includes details of our trading position, and our trading position is profitable. It remains profitable. And so if you are interested in more exclusive updates, please join our premium stock trading alerts newsletter and read the all details today. And that's everything I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.